What happens when we eat junk foods, preserved foods, oily fried foods, foods made of maida, and foods in high fiber? These are not easily digestible and stays as solid form in large intestine or colon, which gets harder day by day and settles down over our intestinal area. These toxins cause indigestion, constipation, swollen belly, leading to tumor formation, damaged blood vessels, colon cancer, stomach cancer, and a lot more. So here is the question is, how to flush out all those rigid solid wastages from our body. Here is a simple natural recipe that is very effective to detoxify and cleanse your internal body organs. This natural remedy not only does detoxification but also cures stubborn PCOD problems in women. But remember one thing, every morning in empty stomach. Repeating again, every morning in empty stomach. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the bell icon for more weekly tips like this. Let's begin. Take 1 to 2 inches of ginger piece, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half piece of lemon, a teaspoon of honey and 2 to 3 fresh mint leaves. Now let's crush the piece of ginger. Add 2 glasses of water in the saucepan. Then add cumin seeds and crushed ginger in the water. Boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. Ginger is one of the most healing ingredients in kitchen, having a lot of health benefits. It stimulates secretion of saliva, bile and gastric enzymes to help in digestion. Ginger also helps to cure constipation, appetite loss, stomach upset, joint pain, arthritis and headache. Cumin seeds are rich source of iron which provides not only numerous health benefits but also helps in weight loss. Cumin water reduces extra fat in the stomach area. It hits all the toxin materials inside our intestine and pushes them to get flushed out. Cumin also has anti-diabetic properties. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, which improves skin quality, texture and brightens it. It clears our skin tone, removes wrinkles and age marks. It promotes hydration, freshens breath and prevents kidney stones. Lemon is also well known to burn extra fats in our body and keeps us active and energetic. Honey provides several health benefits with its nutrients, minerals and antioxidant healing properties. When it is taken in an empty stomach, it fights cough, throat infection and some kind of bacterial infections. It boosts skin complexion, immunity and helps in weight loss. Mint is a natural refreshing agent that helps in bile secretion and enhances bile flow. It reduces foul mouth smell. Mint is a particularly good source of vitamin A, which is beneficial for eyes. Now it's been 20 minutes. Let's filter it to a glass. Squeeze the lemon in the boiled water. add honey and mint leaves. Within a month, this tasty healthy drink will burn off all types of toxins in your body and makes you feel the result very soon. It will give you glowing younger looking skin, keep you active, energetic and healthy. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. We will be coming up with fresh videos every week. Watch out our other videos right here. See you soon. Stay healthy, stay happy. Namaste.